Hi y'all, I'm back for 100 Days of Halloween day
10?
Yeah, I believe it's 10, yes. I think it's day 10? Anyway, pretty sure it's day 10. Last night's movie was Terrifier, and I kind of liked it. It was a little too graphic for me, but I liked that it was just a good old slasher movie and not a disappointment like some of these that I've been picking. It was actually a little bit scary. That clown was scary. I'm not afraid of clowns, like normal looking clowns. And I wasn't necessarily afraid of him, but the way he was creepy. So I'll give it 2 thumbs up. I would definitely watch it again. And guess what tonight's movie is? Terrifier 2.
Oh.
So let's see what happens in number 2.
Okay.
Let me know if you watched Terrifier and if you liked it. And if you're going to watch Terrifier 2. Let me know if you watched Terrifier and if you liked it. And if you're going to watch Terrifier 2 tonight. I would like to hear that and what you've been working on. I made more progress on the blanket. I don't know how far this is going to get, because the pattern only goes so far, and he's already stopped the video, and I'm understanding the pattern okay, but I don't understand the graph, the chart, whatever it's called. I don't understand how to read those, and the pattern, just hopefully it doesn't change up and confuse me, because I still have trouble reading patterns sometimes. But so far, so good. I am really liking this. I think it's going to be beautiful. I think that's it for tonight, so stay spooky, and I will see you tomorrow. Remember, Terrifier 2. Mwah.